Hi, this is Spencer Colgan from Spencer Colgan is Wallpaper. And what I want to show you is, I couldn't wait until we finished because I was too excited about this particular product. This is a Super Fresco Easy, okay? This wallpaper, I have to tell you, is one of the easiest to install. If you like this pattern, why don't you give this a try? And of course, you can find different patterns of the same wallpaper and different colors. We're installing this in a large bathroom in Lithia or Fishhawk in the Tampa Bay area in Florida. But I gotta tell you, if you're a beginner wallpaper installer, this is your product right here. Now, we were told that it was going to be luxury vinyl. This is not luxury vinyl. Let me tell you what's so unique about this wall covering. It almost goes on like grass cloth in that there's no wrinkles. You put it down, it stays down. You swipe it once, all the air comes out from underneath it. I mean, if you were going to install wallpaper for the first time, this is the product you might want to try. You can obtain this wallpaper at wallpaperboulevard.com, and that's an online wallpaper store, and you will find many more selections than this. But I'm suggesting that you at least check this out. Now let me show you about this unique wallpaper. Let me show you the beauty of this, all right? Now we have radial corners. What is that? Look at this thing. These are rounded corners. Now, with thin wallpaper, we had to fix these radiuses. Somebody came in and scratched them up because they removed the wallpaper that was on here. So we had to put a new skin on these things. But look at the perfection with which this wall covering hugs these radiuses. Look at that. Look at how beautiful that is. Now, when you look at it from a distance, you can appreciate the beauty in this wall covering because of its pliability, okay? Now, one of the most difficult parts was keeping the pattern going inside of this box, okay? Now, for those of you who install wallpaper, you realize that what is behind me is the most difficult part of the installation for obvious reasons, okay? I'm gonna bring you up there to show you this beauty. Look at the continuity of the pattern. Now, look at those, look at that. Right in the center of your screen is an angle that's about 125 degrees. That is not an easy angle to hang wallpaper in. In this particular instance, because of the lack of plumb, we cut the wall covering in the center. Now, because it's a busy pattern, we chose to do this, but you couldn't cut that with a non-busy pattern, because you would notice a misalignment. If you really look hard, you might notice a misalignment, but you really gotta look to find it. And so the wallpaper hanger develops a professional eye for what's acceptable and for what's not acceptable. Remember, we're in a bathroom. You sit in the tub and you look at your wallpaper, it's gotta be spot on, right? But if you can't notice anything, I'm not gonna point it out. But I will give you the chance to find it. See, the wallpaper hanger has to deal with all of the imperfections in the structure, in the framing structure. Things are rough. You don't tell people, well, we can't hang your wallpaper. You simply work around them. Okay, so there goes your installation up there. Now, what we did above the bathroom door is a splice and what's called a fake out. Right at the top of that wallpaper, just follow my finger. Now follow that all the way up. Now the light is going to obscure that image, so, okay, you're not going to be able to see it. Actually, you can. Just follow it up. Well, up there, we created our own pattern. Because of the misalignment in this particular framing, I mean, these are long walls. There's a good chance that your walls are going to be off, and when they're off, you have misalignment. So we created a new pattern of the wallpaper, and if you reverse and freeze the frame, you'll see that we join those branches by simply doing what's called a fake out, cutting around those branches, overlapping the wallpaper, and then making them meet up where we put them. So if we have a need for that, I will tape that live later on if we find that we have to do that again. It's better than simply applying the wallpaper and just letting it misalign. Now, in some wallpapers, granted, if you have roses, one here, one there, one down there, first of all, if the pattern is sparse like that, like I just described, you're not going to be misaligned anyway. But if you have a pattern where there's a rose here and then a branch of the rose, and this is very busy, where it's not so busy, you'll notice the misalignment. But sometimes you can hide misalignments by simply reconfiguring the wallpaper. And I think you would agree that this is so busy that if you put one wallpaper over another, you can make your own connections, cut around them, and remove the excess. I've done this on what's called splicing your wallpaper. See my previous videos for that. Anyway, we will be continuing with the rest of this installation today on the bare walls that you see behind me. And I will show you the final product in the end. Once again, this is Spencer Colgan from Spencer Colgan is Wallpaper. You can purchase this at wallpaperboulevard.com. Reach us on the web at spencercolgan.com. Leave a question or a comment below. I'll be glad to answer it. And thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Oh, forgot to tell you, please like and subscribe. Thank you.